The young man is here now. Bring him out. Young man that I restore his man. Honor Lucio Lucis here. Look at the fresh young guy. You look at but a man in need you to a boss. A man in the marital. I'm afraid. Jesus. A man went to say I'm afraid. They say the man. I don't know you look so look at your even your chain. Are you with that chain on that day? Look at the way you look. Your face just come out with ingredients.
I thank God.
How do you see? How are you performing in that day?
Very, very well. I'm okay.
You are performing very well.
Yes.
The suklutu.
Good day, guys, and welcome back again to my channel. Tell your neighbor it is working. This is the video of Odumeje in the church alongside a man and his wife crying that his bola is not working again.
Who is this for you?
My husband.
Your husband?
Yes, ma'am.
The manhood is like this before.
Yes.
It's like elephant.
Yes.
The manhood is like elephant before.
Yes, sir.
But now the manhood disappear.
Yes.
You are the wife.
Yes.
And you watch the manhood. You did not see the thing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey! You the manhood is with you know the manhood before.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Jesus.
This was when the man and the wife came to church complaining to Odumeje and seeking the help of God that his bola is no longer available, that the bola is no longer working. He said the bola, which is the size of an elephant, is nowhere to be found. Odumeje prayed, and today the man is back with a testimony. You guys should watch the rest of the video and drop your comment in the comment section below.
The suklutu. The suklutin is jumping up and down.
Exactly. It's up and down. It's jumping up and down.
Like what?
Like caterpillar.
Hey! Ja. This one is more than caterpillar. This one is what they call tsunami and tsunamization. The man is so happy. He have joined us. Before he pass here, he pass here every day to go to his shop. Is it not?
It's true.
For how many years?
Almost 10 years.
He have been passing here. Now this place he pass to go his shop. He have never entered. Now the day his manhood do this. When I tell you people, oh now don't love me, forget all this love you are showing. That's why I'm ready for you. Today, he don't love me. Why he love me? Because I bring back his manhood. If he stop coming, if he stop coming, what will happen? What will happen?
I don't know.
It's good to have power. What keep Odumeje today now the power I have. I has power. Where is your wife?
She's not with me. She's in New York. In New York.
What is she doing in New York? New York?
She's singing there.
Singing with who?
With the
who sent them? Who sent them to sing there?
She went there herself.
How? He went there by herself.
Yes, sir.
You did not send her.
I didn't send her. No, sir.
She sent herself.
Yes, sir.
So who they marry who? When did she left?
Year 2022.
Yoma.
Yes, sir.
You people are no more together.
Yes, sir. You are right, sir.
Enough, cause what's the problem?
Oh, amumu. Amumu.
Amoge.
Yes, sir.
Speak, what's the problem? Shady, what's the problem?
Amumu. Amumu.
Is it?
My penis.
Oh, okay. Amumu penis. Okay, amu.
Hey. Ona komoko.
Ona komoko.
Then
amuge mo go kwe garamega.